Another day, another vlog out. So today, they made some breakfast in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go eat, take a shower, then I'll catch you after doing all of that. And good people, I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget, shout the like button, subscribe, and yeah, share, cause why not? Why not? What are you going to lose? Like, you have nothing to lose literally, so do all the right things. I'll catch you now. Just got done taking a shower, and I just have to get an outfit, and we're heading out straight after that. Okay, y'all, I got an outfit, so this shirt I don't care, bro. It's clean. And these shorts. So let's change. Got my fit. I hope you can see it. How's it? Talk to me now. So I'm just rocking a comfort, and unfortunately we're not going to Paris anymore. Change of plans. We're going to Padel, and bowling. Okay, now people, we vying now. Yeah. Oh. Okay, we just landed here, as you can see this. And like my phone is about to die already, so I'm kinda cooked. And I'll try to make a plan. But yeah, we'll see what happens when he gets started.
Mais je te cherche encore. Sans toi, la ville s'endort.
You're winning, bro. Wow. No, the 7. the paddle. We're heading to
like saying
bowling now. Bowling.
She's my mom.
It's been a good day though. Guys, unfortunately, we were told that we have the whole week to do all of these activities. So we are back at the crib. We're back at the crib. And yeah, man, we'll see where we land after here. This is day 2 of that very same vlog. So today we're going around rafting.
Video.
Hey, bro.
Uncle Sam, my video was on forever.
Oh, yeah. So we went river rafting, and yeah, this is my feature. I don't know if you could see it. Like, dog, how do you iron these things, dog? Like, hey, bro, cause like it's so wrinkled out, dog. So I don't have any solution for it. But like, other than that, we dip. My feet. It's my feet. The lighting is horrible though. I need to go moisturize my face, dog. We're running late, dog. Only one behind. Okay, now we're heading out. Hitting the road.
Go online to get covered. This is freedom.
Okay, we can't take our phones with, so I'm using the burner phone now. That's why the quality is like. So yeah, we'll catch you once we back to the area.
We say Big Daddy. Now on 3 we say Big Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Big Daddy!
This province, KwaZulu-Natal, knows this pain all too well, as our Premier said earlier in his speech.
Okay, yeah, we finally going to bowling. It's like okay, but it's late. But either way, I'll catch you when we get there.
Around September, but converted this face. Lapha kula kudlalwa kugembulwa khona. Aka video ye paradise ne foreplay. Yeah.
Answer is pro.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so guys, my sister won the bowling and I came second. Please. Oh, yeah. But anyway, right now we're going to get food. Then I'm calling it a day. Wait,
No, I like quarter pounder with chips. Meal.
So I'm gonna make this steak for
707.
people. I'm tired. It's literally. So I just want to eat, then I'm calling it a day. And yeah, quite tired. We had a good time at the bowling thingy, at the bowling alley. It was proper. Came second place, obviously. I wasn't very happy with my performance, but at least I didn't lose, dog. Hey, top 3 is proper, you know. So yeah, so at this point, let me just ciao. Then yeah, I'm calling it a vlog.